I heard somebody say my name, like Alejandra, and then I was like, I was scared because good morning. It is Vlogmas day 13, and today is actually a special day. Early in the morning, we're going to, where are we going, puppy? Where are we going?
The DMV.
What are you gonna do? He's gonna take his driving test. I know he's nervous because I can see his legs shaking and everything, but he got this in the bag. Josiah is just like me when it comes down to tests. We underestimate ourselves and then we just go there and we just go. And then we pass. De panzazo, but we pass. So let's go take this boy, take his test at the DMV, and we shall be back. All right, guys, so we just left the DMV. It was actually pretty quick, 10 out of 10. Recommend for you to make an appointment. And how did it go, puppy?
I felt that shit.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's his first time, his first test. He has more chances. You know, he was a little nervous. He didn't pass it, but I know next time he will. He got this. So now we're gonna take his little ass to school and begin with our day. So earlier when I was at the DMV, I was coming out of the truck and then some girl was like, I heard somebody say my name, like Alejandra, and then I was like, I was scared because I didn't know I wasn't expecting anyone to say my name. So when someone said my name, I was like police. And so I looked back and it was actually a fan who offered to give me some cookie kits so I can do with Joseph. And she makes these, she freshly bakes these at home and she makes her own kits. And she puts like a little DIY cookie instruction and everything is right here. Super easy. Her name is Cakes and Cookies by Lucy, and everything is in here. Like, these are the icings to decorate, and then the little thingies right here. What are these? The candy, there you go. I'm gonna open these later on so you guys can see what's in there. She also gave me 2 other boxes, so I'm actually really excited because you can't see anything that's in here. So I wonder what she put in here, but I think it's a mini kit. Oh, it's a little gingerbread house. You get to decorate it yourself with candies and the icing, and she makes all of this at home. So this is like homemade icing. She puts the little candies in the little baggies. She makes these little kits. Oh, they're so cute. I think we're gonna have some fun tonight. Well, I don't know if I should save them so we can take them to the cabin, like for our Christmas vacation. That way the kids have an activity to do. Ignore Joseph is looking for a freaking bulldozer. He has about 30 freaking bulldozers. And out of those 30, he wants number 19 and 19 only. And I don't know where it's at. I haven't been here in forever. Remember, this was my favorite store.
Yeah, but fuck that. I don't like the Vallartas.
It's too crowded.
We had to park
like a mile down the street.
So we're here at the Vallartas, and Alejandra got another pot because she don't have enough pots.
It's not that I don't have enough pots, it's that the other one's too big. So I have to make a shitload of tamales to fill it up. And this I can just make minis. Mini batches.
Like weenies?
No, like mini batches. I'm thinking if I should get that little tiny one or this one. I think I should get like this one.
They're the same size.
No, it's not.
They're the same size.
No, it's not. 24, 20.
Oh, they look the same.
Which one?
I don't know. That one?
Christmas juice.
Christmas juice. Let me see, Joseph.
I'm actually really excited to be back at the Vallarta.
Why?
Because I haven't been here and they have so many things.
I don't like the Vallartas. It's not that I don't like the Vallartas. What I don't like is whenever we pay and they have a long ass line and they have like, how do you say it? The little, like the line, the rows to pay, like the cashiers, but they have like 10, but there's only 2 open with a shitload of people. And people don't just come for like things like that. They fucking come with carts full of shit.
But where would you find at any other store like these random ingredients? Relajo for your tamales, for your tamales de pavo. Like, these are ingredients that you won't find anywhere. Hello, super horchata. super mixed with morro. Look at this rice.
To get your rooster up.
Let's take it for you.
I don't need that.
Look, agua de cebada. Cebada is like barley in Spanish.
Barley? What the hell's barley?
Like barley,
Oh, the singer.
yeah.
Like Bob Marley.
Oh, I actually have this at home. Then we have black water.
Black water.
Oh, they love these cucumbers.
He wants to start fruit.
$8.99 a pound.
Damn.
You want to start?
Has Joseph had star fruit? Well, that's weird that he wants to start.
No, he's singing. He's singing. I just don't know how to pick them. I got some banana leaves.
Banana leaves for the more tamales.
Hey, come. Have you guys ever heard the saying of, I'm going to do this and voy a estar pariendo chayotes? Well, when they say pariendo chayotes, it means like you're giving birth to a chayote, and by they mean birth is birthing these chayotes. See, can you just imagine pushing one of these out?
Oh, dog. That some shit made me bleed.
That's because you went and you grabbed one. That's the reason they have pinzas.
Well, I didn't see no pinzas there.
Grab them. So Jose went and grabbed them. And he was pariendo chayotes. They're huge.
So what is that?
This is a regular chayote. This is black chayote. And then this is a prickly chayote.
The storm is coming. It's gonna start raining. Somebody's gonna have fun tonight.
Get like the smaller ones to fit at the man, or the big ones. Because I think these would be perfect to fit at the man.
To go inside the tamal?
Yeah. Tomatillos.
What is it? What is it?
A rusted nail. We dropped it.
We always have the luck that when we're about to pay, something happens and then we get stuck.
We do
waiting.
Not have the luck. You do.
Now, so now we gotta wait. Damn, dude. Damn.
Badass, huh?
Joseph, pedal. Oh wait, he can't pedal like that. Now you can.
Go pedal to the metal.
Are you making choco flan? Because I see that you have some Pepto-Bismol right here.
No! It's strawberry tamales that I'm gonna put with cream cheese in the inside. Anyways, we are still in the kitchen making tamales. We already made the green and the red tamales. We're gonna make sweet tamales, the pink ones, I mean the strawberry kind, with cream cheese in the inside and lechera, so you can eat in the morning with your coffee. And we're also gonna make some chile relleno tamale ones. So I have my chile rellenos right here, getting ready to peel. I have my leaves in here, remojándose, because we want our leaves to be nice and pliable. So they're in here. What else do we have? We have our banana leaves. So we're gonna make banana leaf tamales, which are my favorite. And we have too much going on here. Too much. So at this point, I'm gonna need for you to get out and take the little human with you, because I'm busy. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything, hit the notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post a vlog. And that's gonna be it, guys. Bye.